Well, this gorge is a pretty big gorge. I can totally see the attraction. Of course, I was questioning the purpose of the trail a second ago. Okay, the ride up talked about one bridge, and this is like the 4th or 5th bridge I've crossed. No, there are a lot of bridges and a lot of people. All right, well, I think this is kind of the end of the gorge. I don't know why I don't read more about this gorge. It's pretty excellent. And now I understand the desire. It just keeps going. This is deep water here. Surprised I don't have cliff diving going on. Swiss Alpine Panoramic Trail. Oh, look at the tortured rock on this side. So I'm trying to do too many things. I love tortured rock. Look at that. When I say tortured rock, I mean this was just ejected out of the Earth's surface and twisted. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Lifted and twisted. The amount of energy required for that, just insane. Yeah, all around. That's the part about mountains I love so much. Just thinking about the scale of power required. You know, here we are, going into another tunnel. Puny humans make tunnels. The earth makes mountains. Oh, that's nice. I'm turning on so much it's killing the battery. Save the best for last. Wow, that was exciting. I really enjoyed that last section. All right, I'm going to turn off.